Hey guys, it's Brett and I am back with another video. So today's video is super short and simple, but it is something that I saw that I just loved, and so I had to share it with you. You know those Polaroid cameras where you can take a picture and it instantly shoots out the Polaroid? Get one of those and give it to somebody, and as soon as your ceremony is over and you are coming back up the aisle, have them take a picture with it. Because whenever you have your photos taken by the photographer, it's going to be a couple months before you get those pictures back. And so if you can at least have one instant picture that you get to actually see right there at the dinner table, oh my gosh, it is going to make your heart so happy. Whenever I saw the person hand the picture to the couple at the dinner table and they got to see that picture of a moment that just happened earlier, as soon as they were announced husband and wife, them coming back up the aisle, their smiles were so big and they got to see that picture right then and there. They were so happy, and it just was the cutest thing ever. And instead of it being on a phone, an actual picture that they could hold in their hands, that they can like put up on the wall at home or put on the coffee table, it was just the cutest thing. But little side tip for you, it cannot be a bridesmaids or a groomsman because they're going to come out behind you in the ceremony. So you're going to need to either give it to a family member if you have a wedding planner. The venue attendant can do it for you. DJ could probably do it for you because he'll be in the back as well. Just ask somebody, hey, can you take one quick picture for us with this camera? And it turns out really, really cute. I hope that y'all enjoyed this idea, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.